anonymity, so we can't say that's a. We sort of soften that by saying, "Well, consider it." But anyway, I think that's a great innovation from CRS. Thank you for that leadership. And that's the end of Principle 2. I want to take another second just for some questions. And I'm going to read one. This came in from David Panetta. How do we foster sincere cross-agency collaboration when we are often competing for the same funds? Well, yeah, I know that's a great question, and I could throw that back to the participants in this. But I mean, as we all know, that's there's always this conflict between the institutional survivability and the interests of our members. But I think, sort of like unlike the for-profits, I think we should be able to rise above that very easily. And the for-profits have legal responsibilities as shareholders. But our responsibilities, I say our INGO responsibilities, aren't to shareholders or to stakeholders. It's just a different structure in nonprofits. I'm reading Jeff Ash, measuring quality through a sample with data collected by trained interviewers. Thank you. Then extrapolate. There's an app that's been developed that calculates share out automatically in seconds. Thank you, Pam. And you're talking about the e-recording app from Kenya. And it reduces a day's work to 30 seconds. It is, Jeff Ash says, easier to do share outs with the oral record keeping system. Yeah, I know that's true, and certainly one of the advantages of the oral record-keeping system that needs to be balanced against other things where passbook or ledger-based systems might have some advantages. And I agree. If using VSLA principles, says Jeff, better training.